Hey everyone, it's me, Paul, with United Bumper Repair. I'm doing a repair on a Tesla Model Y. It's a 3-stage pearl white. And I said, let me make a quick video explaining how the repair process works. First, at a body shop. When a car leaves the factory, no one gets factory paint. If you return back to the dealership of where you bought the vehicle, any vehicle, Mercedes, Tesla, it doesn't matter. They're not using Mercedes paint or Tesla paint. They're using a third-party company that matches the paint colors and then sells that recipe and all the paint toners back to the dealerships and body shops. So how the repair process works with me at your home, I go to the paint facilities that sell the paint, top off all of my toners in my mobile unit. I grab your vehicle's paint code, enter it into my software program, and mix the color and do the repair on site. So this one here, I did the repair. I'm gonna blend the white out and then the pearl, clear coat everything, and then once I'm done with it, to make sure there's no dirt particles in it, I wet sand it down and buff it up to a mirror-like finish. And most repairs take about 4 to 6 hours to complete at your home. Once the repair is complete, the vehicle is ready to drive. And our repairs come with a lifetime warranty. Feel free to contact us with any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.